Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun, interesting way to roll and strengthen your abs. I'll show you what it looks like. You're probably familiar with the windshield wiper, where you bend your knees up towards your chest so that your tailbone's off the floor, engages your lower abs, and you rotate your legs side to side. This is a phenomenal movement, by the way, and it does so many wonderful things. But we're gonna take this and modify it a bit. We're gonna keep one leg up while we hold the other leg out, butt up. And we're going to draw big arcs with this leg. And keeping this leg up here, well, this actually feels pretty good. It increases an appreciable amount of tension in your abs, but it feels good. And you'll see that this leg, so it looks like I'm just doing the windshield wiper while I sweep this leg. Well, really, I'm sweeping this leg and it's rotating my body over. So it looks like the windshield wiper. Now, if I just wanted to rotate the leg over, it kind of looks the same, but it kind of doesn't. It doesn't feel as good. But this sweeping motion, well, it just feels pretty good. And you know, you got two sides. You don't want one side to get jealous of the other. And you just sweep that leg back and forth while you hold the other knee up towards your chest. You don't have to sweep fast, and you just move where you can move. But it's not difficult, but if you do it enough, it feels good, but at the same time, it works you a little bit. It's gentle. It can be gentle. Anyway, it's an interesting way to both feel good and yet give your abbies a little bit of work and respect and love. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.